Hey, Sir Earl. So this is our Arduino Project 2, which is the SOS Bacon. And here's Group 5 Victorians members. As you can see, our leader Joshua Reynado and members Abigail Rinoza, Montgomery Nan, and me, Angelo Guntang. And the materials we use for this Arduino Project 2, which is the SOS Beacon, the one 5mm LED color red, and 2 jumper cable and 1 resistor 220R, similar with Arduino Project 1. And here are source code of SOS Beacon. Start with the cons in keeping lead number 13, which where did we put the jumper cable. Then void setup. Then pin mode, copy the output to see the output. Then void loop to circulate the lights. First, we put the hashtag 3 quick blink for S digital write, keeping the high delay with 300. So meaning it's less than half a second to blink the light. Similar with digital write, keeping the low delay 300 for the second to turn it off again. Then digital write, copying the high delay 300 again to turn on the light. Then digital write, coupled low delay 300 to turn up the light. Then digital write, coupled high delay with 300 to turn on the light again. Then for the longer, digital write, coupled low delay 900 to turn off the light to reset it. And that's our source code for this SOS Beacon.